Hi, everybody. If you are interested in using ChatGPT as a learning tool instead of just a productivity tool, here's one prompt that promotes thoughtful reflection. I am studying, insert very specific topic, provide a set of open-ended, thought-provoking questions that will encourage me to think deeply about the nuances, tensions, and uncertainties inherent in this complex topic. Here's an example about the macroeconomics of Argentina. We get 21 questions among 7 broad topics. You also can ask ChatGPT to expand on these questions by providing more in-depth follow-up questions. And we get another more specific 21 questions. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. If you are a college student, you are busy. You may see assignments as busy work. Honestly, that's true for a lot of assignments. Ultimately, if you're going to develop the capacity for deep thinking, then you're going to do that and use every tool available to enhance your ability to think through a topic. If you don't care, you're going to use every tool to get the assignments done as quickly as possible. That's your choice. So instead of asking ChatGPT to write your essay, let's look at how asking ChatGPT to provide you with questions that promote deeper thinking. In the prompt, by drawing attention to nuance, tensions, and uncertainties, you accept that there are no obvious right or wrong responses to many complex problems. This encourages deeper reflection, critical evaluation, and thoughtful analysis as you explore the messy intricacies and multi-layered nature of a topic. To promote deeper thinking, you must avoid simplification and push for intellectual engagement rather than the easy answer. Enjoy thinking.